In today's video, I'm quickly going to show you how to log out of your ChatGPT account. This is going to be quick and easy, so let's jump right into it. Firstly, you'll need to open up the interface of ChatGPT. If you don't know how you can reach it, you first need to open up your web browser and search for openai.com, and then scroll down and click on ChatGPT and click on Try ChatGPT. Now, if your account is logged in, you'll directly land in on the ChatGPT interface. Now to log out, you'll see on the left panel an option of logout. If you're using a mobile device or a mobile app of ChatGPT, you'll see three lines on the top left of the screen. After you tap on it, on the bottom you'll have an option of logout. You can easily click on it, and as soon as you do that, you'll be logged out of your ChatGPT account. So that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe, share, and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.